Daniel, today we begin our forever together, and on this day I stand before you to express my vows, not only as a promise, but as a privilege.
Samantha, today is the first day of the rest of our lives together. I am here to reassure you that I will be here in times of laughter and times of sorrow.
I promise to support you through every part of life.
I will be here to support your dreams, even the crazy ones, as well as supporting your life and professional goals.
I will be behind you to encourage you during all of your endeavors, and I will be in front to lead us through if you need aid.
Today I choose you to be my wife, stand by your side, and have your back no matter what, even when Deuce thinks otherwise.
I am honored to have the privilege to be by your side as we take on this journey together.
I will always love you unconditionally, and I am proud to say that I am your husband.
I promise to love who you are today, not who you want to be.
I will respect you as a person, as my partner, and my equal.
As we change over the course of time, it will be my privilege to motivate you and watch you develop into the person you want to become.
I will always put you before all else, and I promise to work every day to build a better life that exceeds either of our imaginations.
I promise to respect you as a whole person, with your own interests, desires, and needs. There will be times when those differ from my own, and in those moments, I am glad to have the privilege to remain open-minded to our differences and be willing to face change without foregoing our own uniqueness.
I am excited to play the "Whose turn is it to let the dogs out in the early mornings?" or "You pleading with me to rub your feet on the couch" games for the rest of my life.
I promise to not only be a nurturing and compassionate wife, but also a nurturing and compassionate mother.
I am here to promise you loyalty and faithfulness for as long as we live.
I am excited to have the privilege of someday being the mother of your children.
With that being said, I am excited for the future and what it holds. May we have countless memories from today on.
I promise I will always strive to provide a warm, welcoming, and safe home where we can share in the good times and the bad. It is my absolute privilege to fill our home, a home we have created together, with laughter, love, and unwavering stability for you and our future family. I promise in sickness and in health that you are always taken care of. Although some of these times will be very challenging, it will always be my privilege to care for you to the best of my ability. When my ability is not enough, I promise to ensure that I find you the best possible care. I cannot promise that I will never complain about your dirty breakfast dishes in the sink, just inches from the dishwasher, or your clean clothes that never make their way into the dresser they are resting on. But I can truthfully say that although I may complain over silly things from time to time, it is my privilege to share our home and life together. I am grateful for these tiny frustrations as they serve as a reminder of how lucky I am to not be alone. They are reminders that you are here, and that is something I will always be thankful for. Daniel, I promise that no matter where our journey may lead us, I will go along with you, with love, trust, joy, and respect. I am so happy on this day to become your wife, and even happier to accept the privilege of building our future together. For after all, only together can we accomplish the life we dream of living.